the Congress is addressing a press conference. Let's listen in.
Very categorical reply was given to Mr. Subramaniam Swamy, word by word, points by points, and now the bluff masters will face the music. Mr. Rahul Ji has made it very clear that any allegations made by Mr. Swamy was met and answered, and very categorically answered to that question, and it amounts to a legal notice. And we are now ready to the person who raised the allegation should prove it. Now they are demanding that you prove it. You go to the court. This is always the style of Swamy. And we have sent a letter, reply led by Rahulji. It amounts to a legal notice. And we are ready that, when baseless allegations are being raised, and we have reminded Mr. Swamy that his allegations are baseless, and this is the improper, and these baseless allegations, we have denied that also. So now we are ready. If anybody who raised the allegation, if they are ready to substantiate, we will face it. Legally, yes, legally.
Rahulji, yes, Mr. Ramakrishnan, who is Mr. Ramakrishnan? Who is Mr. Ramakrishnan has sent a letter on behalf of Rahulji? What is his designation?
Rahul Gandhi's office has sent the letter, and we are owning that letter. And where is the question of X or Y? That letter has gone from Rahul Gandhi's office. It is not the signatory matters. It is the letter from Rahul Gandhi's office. And an allegation raised against Rahul Gandhi and Sonia Gandhi, this is the style of Mr. Swamy. It has been their practice. And there is no surprise, nothing new in that. This has been their practice, always making wild allegations. And we thought that this time it should not go unanswered. So that is the reason why.
Mr. Chacko, why doesn't the Congress Party or Rahul Gandhi's office explain the allegation specifically, respond specifically to each allegation? You are just saying that it's baseless.
Please understand that it is not our duty to do that. It is the duty of Mr. Subramaniam Swamy to do that. If anybody has got a complaint that there is an income tax violation, there is a legal violation, Swamy should have the guts to go to the court and sue Rajiv Gandhi or Sonia Gandhi. But this is a very strange thing. They are saying that come file case against me. This has been the most insensible and very difficult to understand. It is Swamy style.
Mr. Chacko and Mr. Arun Jaitley, the leader of opposition, has also raised this issue and asking a specific question of why AICC, despite being Congress, despite being a political party, should extend a loan of 90 crore plus to a commercial, at least a private company. Why? And which is a clear violation of the registration of Election Commission and other IT laws.
If there is a violation of IT laws, we challenge them to prove it. And Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru started a newspaper. It was the official organ of the Congress party. But it was not published under the name International Congress, AICC. It was under a company by the name Associated Journals. There is no commercial transaction here. Unfortunately, people are trying to mislead and, creating confusion. Out of confusion, they want to gain something. They will not gain anything. And National Herald and Qawmi Awaz, Associated Journals, what is the association of the past from Panditji up till now? And whose property is, whether anybody else's property on a commercial transaction purchased or not? Swamy is making a wrong case.
What is the role of Suman Dubey, Sam Pitroda? Could you explain this role? Are they also Congress members? They're also in the group?
No, I tell you that, if anything...
Why is it taken from Sam Pitroda's house in Panchi?
No, I tell you, whether they want to involve anybody or everybody associated with the Congress, make them controversial, this is a game. And we know that, what they are up to. So we sent a letter yesterday saying, refuting the charges and challenging them, and we are ready to face it legally. And here is a situation where the people who raise the allegation should have the guts to prove it. And Arun Jaitley or Subramaniam Swamy, hand in glove, they want to defame the Congress and the Congress leadership. And now if they have the courage to do it, if they know that there is a violation of law, let them take it to the court. It is not our responsibility to take it to the court. But still, we have sent, refuting the charges, we have sent a notice to Mr. Swamy You have read the notice and that amounts to a legal notice.
Mr. Chamo.
No, I said that they have to do that. They have to go to the court. They have to sue the whoever has violated the company law or income tax law. They are not doing that. They are only holding press conferences and running away from that. Tomorrow it may be some other allegation. This is only 24 hours. This has life only for 24 hours.
The way you are explaining, do you feel that this is a personal enemy?
Who?
Mr. Subramanian Swamy having a personal enemy with the way you are explaining?
Why do you come to that conclusion? We don't take it. We don't. Whether it is there or not, we don't take it seriously. Who is, after all, no, you are asking a question which I am not supposed to answer. Whether Subramanian Swamy has got a personal animosity or not, maybe, may not be. But we don't take it seriously. He is nobody to, as far as Congress is concerned, we don't consider. As far as Congress is concerned.
The way you are denying the explanation, the way you are denying the charges, does it mean that he has a personal enemy?
No, we have pointed out that all these allegations raised is baseless and malicious and is defamatory. Defamatory, malicious and baseless. And that we have given not a mere statement, not a press conference, we have given in writing. The letter is with him. With that letter, if Swamy wants, he can go to the court.
Are you going to sue him or not?
Whether Swamy is going to sue the Congress leaders or not, that is what we want to see. That is what we want to happen. Let them do. See, those who raise allegations should do it. And why should you, turn things in an inverse direction, Because this is not our responsibility. It's the responsibility of the people who raised the allegation to prove it or to go to the court and sue the people who did something wrong.
Do you feel that mainstream party that you should be responsible for explaining things?
We are responsible. We have explained. We have refuted the charge. We have said that they have done a wrong thing. And if they have any answer to the letter sent by Rahul Gandhi's office, then they should approach the court.
Mr. Chamo, don't you think by this allegation, Swamy defamed the name of Rahul Gandhi and
That he has been doing that consistently. Only in one thing.
if they are defaming, whether it is not a case of defamation case?
We have pointed out in Rahulji's letter, pointed out that it is defamatory also. Not only it is baseless, it is defamatory
Why don't
also.
you go court?
Yes, that is. These are all future courts open to us. We have mentioned in the letter that all these options are open to us. But we want to see whether it is the responsibility of Swamy only to make a press conference and run away, go to the next allegation next day, or he is going to prove, substantiate what he has said. And that is why we reminded him that what he has said is defamatory and also baseless. If it is otherwise, he has got the responsibility to take action against that.
Which means only your liability of the associated seller, wherein lakhs, whereas the present value of the property is in crores. Now there is an allegation that this company has been actually acquired just because of its present asset value. So do you say that the whole idea of acquisition is to restart the newspaper, Herald and Copy Awas, but it's just that the property value is denied, right? Because AICC has actually financed the acquisition.
No newspaper, not in the case of Associated Journal, no newspaper property is valued in real estate terms. Newspaper property is never ever valued in real estate terms. And if anybody thinks that this is taking over of a real estate, then we have nothing to say. But what we have done is that we are not bound to answer these questions. These are blind allegations, nothing to substantiate, and it is their responsibility to do. All these questions are to be to Mr. Swamy and company because they are people who raise these allegations. They should answer this.
You are saying that there is some truth to that, right? You don't want to get into the substance of it. You don't want to be answerable, but there is some truth that there was some loan given to Young India and all these things. There was some such.
I have one thing to very clearly say that, I don't think that, I am ambiguous on that, because if there is a violation of the Income Tax Act, as alleged by Mr. Swamy and some of his newfound supporters, they have to file a petition for the income tax. They have to file a case before the court. They have to give a petition in writing to the government. They can give a petition to the CBI for an inquiry. This is not the way. Unfortunately, today a press conference or a press statement is the solution for everything. And we don't not going to succumb to this kind of blackmailing tactics.
इलेक्शन कमीशन के जो रूल्स है चुनाव आयोग के किसी भी पार्टी की जो पॉलिटिकल फंडिंग होती है वो आपको पॉलिटिकल काम में लगानी होती है यहाँ पर उसका यूजेज कोई और हुआ है.
If that violation is there with the Congress funds and the Congress fund is not properly utilized as per rules, it is the person who raised the allegation against that, he has to file a case. He has to prove that. When we deny that, we say very clearly that there is no violation. If there is violation, it is the responsibility of the person who alleged to prove that.
You need to say Dr. Subramanian Swamy's allegation that there is no truth behind that. But you mean to say there is no, the property has not let it out to passport office?
Whatever Subramanian Swamy has said, probably
True or not?
no. We are not.
Given to let it
No,
out to passport office
we
or
are
not?
not going into that issue. These are
No,
the things.
the allegation
No,
is made by Subramanian.
How can you and me say that? What is the rent and who has taken it on rent and all these things? It is, if Swamy has got a complaint, he has to file the complaint. If we have a legal remedy for all these things. And what this India against corruption or Swamy is forgetting that India is a country where legal remedy is available to every citizen for any irregularities happens. If the Congress has misused the funds, if Congress has violated the Income Tax Act, I mean there is legal remedy. Why they are not resorting to that? If it is to be fought in the streets, and if it is to be raised and answered only in the television shows, then if that is not the case.
Legal remedies also there been.
We are not complaining. Who is the complainant in this case? The person who complained against the Congress party has to seek legal remedy. That is what we say. Swamy today also said that, he is happy he will meet in the court. Then Swamy should come to the court. Swamy should challenge in the court against the Congress leadership, against the ICC. He is not doing that. He wants us to do it. That's what I said. We are not going to succumb to this blackmailing pressure.
India today raised something with a story on Salman Rushdie. He went to court and he sacked defamatory case. Now, Subramanian Swamy.
What action the Congress party should take in these matters is that it's exclusively our decision, our prerogative. And Swamy or nobody can dictate that you do this, you go to the court, you do that. If anybody is raised an allegation, it is their responsibility. We challenge them, come to the court with their allegation. If they can prove it, they come to the court. And here is a situation where this is pure blackmailing.
ठाकुर जी आप एक गठरी पे आरोप लगाए आप
न्यूज़पेपर के लिए जमीन आवंटित की गई है, अलॉट की गई है और वो न्यूज़पेपर पासपोर्ट कार्यालय के लिए 2 फ्लोर जो है किराए पे दे सकता है. क्या ये सही है?
Nothing happened yesterday or day before or last week or last month or last year. This has been how long the National Herald is being closed down, how long that property is there, how long associated tenants were functioning, and how many people were occupying that building. This is not something happened last year, not during this year. I mean, where from these allegations coming? Just imagine that you all know that, associated journals in that building, there were, other officers functioning also. Is it something which happened now? Where were these people who made the allegations? That shows that, this is only to create confusion. I mean, this is only to create an impression that everything is wrong and everywhere there is corruption. They just want to blackmail everybody. This is the business.
On this LPG pricing, yesterday you saw what the decision was. Does the Congress party have a meeting if you want to increase the LPG cylinders?
In fact, the Congress party from the very beginning was of the opinion that the LPG cylinder number reduced may cause some hardship to the common people.